Welcome back, lovely people, to another Shein video. In today's video, I'll give us a code you can use to shop best-selling women items at a discounted price. Yes, once you search this code in the Shein app search bar and you add your items in your cart, once you're about to check out, you would notice the discounts. You would notice that some coupons have been activated, okay? And this is definitely going to reduce the total amount of money you have to pay. Now, before you go on to search for this code, I'll advise that you delete everything in your cart. If you have any item in your cart, delete it, or you can move it to your wish list, okay? This is to increase your chances of getting higher discount, like to maximize this discount code. First, delete everything in your Shein cart. Now, proceed to go to your Shein app search bar and search this code 2NQCJ, all in capital letter, 2NQCJ. Now click on your search icon and it will bring you to this page, okay? You need to shop for whatever it is you want on this page. Just add it to your cart, okay? They have really nice items for women here. Just add it to cart, all right? I'm going to show us an example, like I'll place an order with us real time just to show us that this code works. I'll add this to my cart. Just random things. This one is discounted at 50%. I'll add to carts. I'll add like 5 items, okay? I want us to take note of their initial price so that at the end of the day, when I'm about to check out, we'll see how much I am to pay. This one is also discounted at 50. I have to pay 8 euro. I think that is the fourth one. Let's add another one. Okay. You can see that most of these clothes or dresses, they are all discounted at 50%. So use this code if you know you want to enjoy discounts. At the end of the day, we'll check out and you'll see how much I have to pay. I just want to add really like expensive items. I just want to illustrate how good this code works, all right? I think that should be enough. So let me go to my cart. Oh, I forgot to delete everything in my cart, but yeah, notwithstanding, I know what I added. I'll just delete the previous things I had in my cart real quick. Okay. I'll delete this. I didn't add this. Delete this. Okay, so this is all I added. 7 items. Now let's check out, okay? Let me check out. First of all, let me just click here and you'll see. The initial price for everything is 152 euro. I have a reduction of 13 euro. You can see it. And then after that reduction, it goes down to 139 euros. And then the coupon, I have a coupon saving of 26 euro. And then the final price I have to pay for my order is 112. Let's go to checkout, okay? Now, of course, my shipping is free. Here, this is the checkout. You can see the final amount I have to pay. In the checkout, you have Shein points is going to be subtracted from your total, okay? So this is it, 152 euro initial price, like the reference price, the main price I was supposed to pay. But because I've used the code I just shared with us, I only have to pay 112. I've saved a whole 42 euro. Like, that's a whole lot of money. Who wouldn't want to get such high amounts of money as a discount? So if you know you want to shop on the Shein app and you want to shop women items, women dresses, you already saw that they have so many nice dresses there. Like, whatever it is you want, they have really nice things here for women. Just take your time, add whatever it is you want from this page. Yes, the page they take you to, add your items from there. You're definitely going to see things that you like. Don't be like me. Remember to delete everything you have in your cart before you search the code and then add things to your cart. And you have to place your order within 24 hours because once you activate the code, it expires in 24 hours. So if you do not place your order in 24 hours, then you need to reactivate the code. It's just simple. All you need to do is to search the code all over again and activate it. Once you search the code is activated, then add things to your cart and you pay within 24 hours. And that is it. It's as easy as that. Let me know your experience using this code, how much you got as a discount price. All right, I would love to hear from you. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more discount videos and discount codes from Shein and Temu, okay? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.